How about let's do yellow? Okay, yellow. 3, 2, 1, go. Today I have a Rubik's cube. It says Rubik's cube. Wait, it might be upside down. I don't know if it's saying. I don't know, but you might see if it says Rubik's cube. Okay, so I can't solve all of this, like all of the colors, but I can only do one. Like I probably do the white one the most. The white one the most. Yeah, but yeah, I'm gonna do it. So okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, 3, 2, 1, fast as I can. It's kind of hard to do this, but yeah, it's probably easy. It's so easy to make only one. I could probably do it so fast. Oh my god. So yeah. Okay, this one, yeah, this. And I just only need one. Okay, fast as I can. Just do this. Then yeah, easy. Let's do this. Boom! I made the white one. The white one. Yeah, you can see that. Okay, I'm gonna do the other colors. So I might do blue. So let's do blue. 3, 2, 1, go. I have no idea what this is, but okay. Okay, I got it. Yes. Okay, I made the blue. Okay, let's make the orange one. The orange one. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, almost done. Okay, I made this one, and then just need one more. Whatever, let's just do this. Oh no, this is taking long. I hear some kids, but it's kinda annoying. Like probably so annoying. Why am I not done? Taking so long. Okay. Yes, I'm done. It's the orange one, okay? Orange. Yeah. So let's make the third one. No. Yeah, third one. Which is how How about let's do red. Okay, 3, 2, 1, boom. I'm almost done. Boom. I made the red one. Yeah, red. You can see it. Well, I guess I made the red one. Okay, let's do the fourth one. The fourth. Okay, how about let's do yellow. Okay, yellow. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, that was the easiest one I ever done. Boom! I was done. Okay, how about let's make the fifth one? Okay, how about we didn't do I don't think we did green. Yeah, we didn't do green. Okay, okay, I made the green one. Yeah, I'm done the green one. Okay, I don't think we did the I think we have like we did green, we did white, we did blue, we did yellow, red, and then there's sixth one. So six. So basically orange left. The last one. The sixth one. Okay, let's do the orange one. 3, 2, 1. Done! The orange one. I did all 6, but not like full. Like I did one by one. Like see, I did the orange first, then I scanned it, and then did the green, the yellow, then whatever like that. Yeah, I did that. So that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. So bye. Like and subscribe for more videos like this right there. And bye guys.